I got my power pole down, stuck in the mud in the bottom of the lake, sitting so still in the wind and the waves. Could even be a hurricane. I got my power pole down. I'm gonna make another dead-on pinpoint gas, catch myself a big old bass, and another one after that. Oh yeah, I got my power pole down. Stuck in the mud in the bottom of the lake, sitting so still in the wind.
Hey guys, Rick McHale from the Bass College. I'm out here this morning on Dead River in Orland, Maine. We're going to see whether or not we can find some largemouth. The water's way low. We're going to look for some deep holes here in the river and see if the fish are stacked up in them. So come on, let's see if we can find some fish. Hey guys, just hooked up on the first fish of the day. There we go. Got it on a swim jig. Pound and a half, I'd say. Ooh. Nice way to start the morning. See if there's any more out here. Hey guys, hooked up. Small one. 3/4 pound. Just a little one. There's Nellie. Oh, can't eat fish, Nellie. Go on the dirty jig around these weeds, and when I hit the holes, I'm throwing the rattle trap down below. Hooked up again. Oh, small one. Whoop. There you go now. Just a small little one. I caught it on the drop off right here. We were in about 2 feet of water. We dropped to about 10 right here. Hey guys, just hooked up again. There you go. Felt like a better fish. Just a good 2 pounds. This is short fish, but boy, they're feeding good. Really fat. Dirty jig. Not that big, but I bet it's 1.5 pounds. It's really fat. Must be a lot of feed right here in the river. Let's see if we can get another one. The last couple I've caught is actually up in about 3 feet of water. I've been throwing a few things down the deep holes. I haven't had a hit yet, but what I'm going to do is go to the big sinkhole and coming back. We got plenty of time here, and we're going to drag bottom and see if some of the bigger fish are down in there. So let's go down along here and we'll see if we can pick up another one. Got it hooked up again to a real nice one. There's our first good fish. It's 2.5 at least. Fish is up here in about, I'm going to say 3 feet of water. Nice fat fish. Nice largemouth. Let's see if we can get some more. Hey guys, just hooked up on another one. Wearing them out. Jump. Another decent fish. That's 2.5, heading towards 3. Boy, they're lively. I'm down in the river because this is really flowing, and if you find moving water, you're going to find more oxygen in the water and the fishing that's going to go to it. So that's what I'm doing down here. The water temperature's been 80 this year, so I really believe I had to find some moving water to get that oxygen. And sure enough, I'm starting to hit some nice fish. Let's see if we can get some more. Hey, I couldn't get the camera on in time. I decided to go over to a frog, buzzing the rage frog across these lily pads out here in the deeper water, and sure enough, I had this big boy come up and nail it. I think we've got to be close to 4 on this one. That's a nice fish. Nice and fat. I think what I'm using is a braid, and I'm using the screw-on weight with the rage frog. You got to use braid in here or you'll never get them out. I had a heck of a time. They go down and they tangle right around the weeds, and that's why I didn't get the camera on in time, because I knew it was a big fish. So let's go and see if we can get some more. Hey guys, I just picked up another little one. I had a couple of real big explosions in there on my top water, so I'm going to come back through with my dirty jig and see if we can pick something out. Okay guys, we picked it up. I don't know what we have here. Drag them out. Oh, wrong species. Pickerel. Funny thing about that was pickerel was right in there with the largemouth. I think this is probably what was exploding on that frog. Better check our lines. Awful toothy critter. Let's see if we can get some more. Line seems alright. Hey guys, I'm going to get out of here. As you can see, it's starting to get real rough. I just came out into the lake. This is where I have to take the boat off. And hey, I had fun. We're back filming again, and hopefully we can do a few more lakes. Until the next time, I'll see you out on the water. This is Rick McHale from the Bass College. Take care.
Stuck in the mud in the bottom of the lake, sitting so still in the wind and the waves. Could even be a hurricane. I got my power pole down. I'm gonna make another dead on pinpoint cast, catch myself a big old bass and another one after that. Oh yeah, I got my power pole down. I'm gonna make another dead on pinpoint cast, catch myself a big old bass and another one after that. Oh yeah, I got my power pole down. my power pole down. I'm gonna make another dead on pinpoint cast, catch myself a big old bass, and another one after that. Oh yeah, I got my power pole